Hey everyone, welcome to Easy Guitar Practice. Let's kick things off by reviewing this exercise. So I'm always going to hammer the concept that you should know a few shapes in a lot of places, and I'm directly stealing that from Berklee professor Rick Pickham. But I love the concept because for me it helps unlock the neck, right? Okay, here's how you play this one phrase, this one lick here. Here's how you play it over here, and then you can play it up here as well. And I think, as you get more familiar with scales, as you continue to, incorporate these warm-ups, you will start being able to, on your own, pick out how to connect these different positions. Of course the shapes change a little bit, but you're able to see, okay, it's similar, right? You're picking out the similarities. So in my mind, the goal of this exercise is just to be able to right now fluidly go from one position to the next, and rinsing and repeating. Something like this. And this is something that's immediately applicable because this is really just a blues lick. So just think about, that's not exactly the lick that we're playing, but those are all the same notes. So recognize that you can just change up the configuration a little bit and you'll have this unique lick, and then all of a sudden you've got your own unique style. As always, really focus on just having a good time and letting some of these concepts slowly sink in. That's the importance of a great warm-up, is of course getting your mind and body, your hands ready for playing. But the way we like to warm up is make sure that it's directly applicable. So think on some of these concepts, think about how they apply to the songs you really like playing, and take 5 to 10 minutes to get warmed up, and then go enjoy learning all the songs and solos you want to learn, and just try to apply some of the concepts that you're grabbing here. And for now, that's it, and we'll see you next time.